Please confirm to me, all of you get my voice on screen, guys. Check it, all of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Right, sir. Right. And check it, guys. Then what we completed there in the last session. Right. And if we observe this total part, what we understood there in the last class, I think so. We are discussing about steps to prepare Python application. In now, steps to prepare Python application, already we completed in yesterday's class. Download and install Python software. And next one is write and execute Python programs. In write and execute Python programs, and what we completed there, already shown how to prepare programs with the Python provided ideally. And next one is command prompt. We have seen that. Then after that, edit plus. I think so. Only these two things we have seen. Edit plus and Sublime Text. These two things we have to discuss there today. Right, sir. If we complete these two things, no. Then next one is like which one? We'll start our normal technology. Then up to some parts we will use these two only, these only. But once if we complete these, then I will go for Jupyter Notebook. Then I will show how to install Jupyter Notebook, how to get that Jupyter Notebook, and how to work with the Jupyter Notebook. We will see that in the future. But as of now, just I want to show how to install Edit Plus and how to use that Edit Plus. After that, I will show that clearly to you. Right, sir. Right, sir. Then, right. See this now. First of all, let us talk about this which one, Edit Plus. How to use Edit Plus for our Python applications. Let us understand it now. Already Edit Plus is available in my system. Let me uninstall that Edit Plus. Right, so now here we have to go for like which one? Control panel. Programs and features. Right, sir. Uninstall it. Right, sir. Edit Plus is removed from my system. Here previous Edit Plus might be existed here. That is removed. That is also removed. Previous it is existed here. That is removed. Okay, fine. Now, Edit Plus is not available. Not only that, I'll go for C drive. Inside the C drive folder is existed. Edit Plus folder. These are old files. Just I want to remove that Edit Plus. Everything I removed regarding this Edit Plus. That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Now here, what I want to know, I want to download that Edit Plus from internet. Right, so now here I'll go for like which one here, Edit Plus. Edit Plus text editor. Right, sir. Now here we're having a website. That website name is which one? www.editplus.com. This is a website. Now just I want to go for this. Right click on it and open a new tab. So here we are getting this Edit Plus now. Edit Plus text editor. That's okay, fine. Download Edit Plus 5.3 2021-8. That means in the January month it was updated. That's okay, good. And this Edit Plus here we are able to get it. Alright, so directly here we are able to get it. And what's the next one here? I'm telling you know, just if we click on it, then we are able to get this one. Right, sir. It is providing plus. Just I want to click on Edit Plus download. No, download Edit Plus. It will come to download page. That's fine. Now observe carefully. If you click on this downloads here, we are getting this one. Now Edit Plus 5.3 is an evaluation version. Now directly here we can click on this link. we are able to get that Edit Plus 5.3, guys, no problem. But what I am telling to you, Edit Plus is a trial period. That means trailer version we are able to get. 1 month trial we are able to get it if we click on it. But I have a license for Edit Plus 4, not for 5. So I want to download Edit Plus 4 and I want to install it. But latest version is 5.3. But for that I am not having any subscription code. But for Edit Plus 4 I have some subscription code. I want to use that. So that's why I want to go for previous version. In previous version, that Edit Plus, download Edit Plus version 4, 64-bit that I want to download. Now let me click on it. Now it is downloading. Alright, so already that software is available with me. Just I want to take that. At 2.2 MB. Already have that. I want to use that. That's it. So there is a question, if you will work on Jupyter Notebook, then why to install? Good. Good question, guys. And anyway, then if I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook, fine, no problem. Can I skip a PyCharm and like Visual Studio and all these things? Can I skip working with the PyCharm and all? Pavanit, I'm asking to you. Right? Yes, sir. I'm not getting. Yeah. So here I'm not working, sir. Now I'm not working now. I'm not working on a project. Now I'm teaching Python. So as I'm teaching Python, all possibilities I have to show as part of my responsibility. Understand it now? No, then that question is invalid for me now as part of my classes. Why? Because then each and every part, as I given some commitment, I have to show that. Understand it now? So see, then I'm telling to you, this PyCharm is more than Jupyter Notebook. Can I skip Jupyter Notebook directly? Can I go for PyCharm? No, it's not like this. As part of my classes, just I want to show each and every possibility. Step by step, I'm providing it. As part of that, I'm discussing about all these things. And moreover, of course, you are aware about all these things, but some other people are not aware about all these things. At least for the sake of them, I have to show all these things. That's good. So drive and the software is new. Then I'll go for like which one? Edit Plus. So here I want to paste this Edit Plus here. I have this copy now. Edit Plus is available. So for Edit Plus is not available. Just I'm going to install this Edit Plus. Double click on it. Oh, same problem you are getting again. Right, guys. The problem with my system, Edit Plus. It's not installing properly. Okay, guys, fine, no problem. Now let me download the 5.2 trial version there. Yes, if you download this, then I will check this if it is running or not. Guys, now this may be the problem with my system only. Don't think about it. Edit Plus, my previous also I got this problem. Just if I remove some data there, it's okay, fine. I can later on I will do that. But let me check with this 5th version then. It's a trial version, just 1 month trial period we are getting there. Alright, so okay, now not accepting this. Guys, don't think about it. There is a problem with my system only. And where is the problem actually? I don't know why Then last time also we got the same problem with my Java classes. It is not installed. What I have done, guys, the Java class is there to remove this. Actually, we have done there. What is this now? Program data, I think, so, right? 1 minute, sir. Just I will check this one. Not available here inside this. Right. Now in C drive. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. The problem with my system only. I have to check this. C users. Yeah. These types are might be somewhat related with the Python only. Let's now. 1 minute, sir. Now it's not working properly. Somewhere else I have done, sir. Somewhere else I have done it. Forget it. I have to delete that somewhere else. No, they're not working. Moreover, they're deleted automatically whenever we are using them. Okay, guys. Now just no need to worry for this. I will separate that issue now. I will give that clarity. Uh, well, right, sir. Anyway, just I will check this anyway. Yeah, Edit Plus and Notepad plus same, sir. No problem. And I will show later on this Edit Plus version here. Why? Because it's not working properly. Now, meanwhile, just what I want to show there, just I want to go for Sublime Text. I want to show now. I want to go for like which one? Sublime Text. Let me show that. Then after that, we will go for the content key. Right, sir. Anyway, then not required. Anyway, I will show that again edit plus installation process. Why? Because somewhere else I have to delete some previous uninstalled files. Then that is missing in my system now. I will show that. Later I will show that. No need to worry for that. Now let me go for like which one? Sublime text now. If you want to use that Sublime text again here, control panel, programs and features. Right, so now Sublime text 3 that we provided, just I want to uninstall it. The Sublime text is almost all similar to like which one? This one only, like which one? Edit plus, similar to that, but very simple. To use the Sublime text is also very simple. Observe this clearly. Right, sir. Not available. Sublime text is deleted. Okay, fine. And next one is, then after that, what I will do now, I want to download the Sublime text from internet. Right, sir. Now, Sublime text, Sublime text 3. Right, so now let me open a new tab. Sublime text. See, after this website also, sublimetext.com/3. Like this here we are having. Observe this clearly. Version build 3211. So here Windows 64-bit. My operating system is Windows 64-bit only. So I want to use this Windows 64-bit. Right, sir. Portable version something else. Now no issues. Okay, just I want to click on this Windows 64-bit operating system. Automatically it's going to be downloaded. Sublime text build.exe file. 10.4 MB is available. Just wait for it. Just once if it is completed, then I will start installation process. Very simple to install this version, sir. Sublime text. Yeah, Sublime text. Already, I think in core Java classes I shown that. If you have already Sublime text and all, everything is available. Already it's available in our system. Not required to reinstall. I think in core Java classes I shown how to install the Sublime text and how to use that previously. Right, sir. It was installed anyway. That means it was downloaded. Let me get copy of this. I want to keep all this, my software is in a particular location, my system. And E drive, software is new. Like which one here? I want to go for like which one? Python, where Sublime text. Already that thing is existed here. Then paste it. So same Sublime text build 3211 64-bit setup. Already I downloaded previously 2 times. I downloaded there. Just I don't want to use that all these things. I want to delete them. No problem. Now it is existed. I want to execute this. Now previously I uninstalled that Sublime text. Now again I'm going to install it. It's very simple, sir. Installation of the Sublime text. Double click on it. If you double click on it, automatically it's asking about like this. No, Sublime text 3 setup. Click on S button. Now it is asking about the location. So what was that location I want to specify there? Before that, at my C location, C folder, already we prepared that Sublime text something else. No. Right, so anyway, it is not available at my C drive. So I want to install it at my C drive directly. I'll go for this. Directly here, I want to say like which one. I want to remove this program files here. C Sublime text 3 that I want to use. Click on next button. All right, so now when we click on this next button, nothing else, no. No problem. Click on next button. Click on install. That's it. Very simple to install. Almost completing. That's it. Completing. That installation process is completing, sir. Sublime text installation complete. Installation process completing now. Right, sir. Click on finish button. Right, sir. Now, what we are getting there after this, here, whenever we install this, here we are able to get like which one here. And our desktop, we are not getting it, but I want to check it. Sublime text is installed or not. Go for the C drive. Inside the C drive, Sublime Text. Yes, folder is created. If you open that, now this is the installation process here, we can understand. From here itself, we can open that Sublime Text directly, or else if we don't want to open it through this one, directly here what we have to do, go for this Windows, where just we can type like which one here, Sublime Text, like this here we can open now, Sublime Text. If you open this, automatically here we are able to get, of course, previously I used it, but again it is opening the same thing now. Understand it clearly. That means one time if you install it, again and again if you're trying to install it now, it is trying to get the same previous setups now. That's why this file is open in my system now. Not to worry for that. Leave this one now. Here, this is like Sublime Text here we are getting, sir. Next one is whenever we open the Sublime Text now, what I want to do there, and sidebar, I want to show this sidebar here. Here we are able to get this sidebar also. Here what I want to know, I want to open a file. I want to create a folder and I want to open a file. That's my requirement. So first of all, let me go for like which one? Open folder. Now I want to open a folder. So for the sake of our applications, I want to open this. Now let me go for this one and a D drive. In a D drive, and what about our location here? No, our location is like which one here? Python 5. This is about our location. Inside this Python 5, I want to create a folder. That folder is like which one here? Sublime Text. Right, sir. Now Python, I want to use that. Sublime Text Python. Right, sir. That I want to provide. This folder here, I want to select. No, observe carefully. Now select a folder that we completed. Of course, new window here we are getting there. No problem. Now inside this, then we can create any kind of thing now. Of course, we can use either of this window here. Automatically, new window will come there. We can provide this. Double click on it. Here itself, we can start working with this particular one. Next one is after completion of this, I want to create a new file. So here we are getting the Sublime Text Python in the new window. Right, sir. If you want to close that older one, we can close this older one. No problem here. Newer one we can use there. Now inside the Sublime Text Python, I want to create a new folder, new file. I want to create there. What about this new file here? I want to create. No, right click on the Sublime Text Python, new file. Right. So now here I have to give that file name. But before going to give that file name, just what I want to do there. Let me save it. Control yes. Control S if you type there, automatically here it is asking about that file name. What about this file name here we want to provide there? My file name is tester.py that I want to provide. My file name is like which one? Tester.py and click on save button. Right, so now here tester.py is created here under the Sublime Text Python. Now here inside this what I want to do there now, print off, just I want to provide like which one? Welcome to Python programming. Welcome to Python programming. This message here I want to type. Print off welcome to Python programming that I want to display anyway. All of you have this clearly now. Right, sir. Yes. Just I created that folder in our Sublime Text, sir. Just observe this clearly. Prakram Buller, just have you seen that? What I provided there? How to prepare a folder inside this? Yes, right. Here we can understand it. File, open folder. If you open folder, automatically we are able to get folder that is asking about the name of the folder. Go to the location and create a new folder and select that folder. Automatically we are able to open that folder there. Next one is then after that, right click on this folder whenever we are getting this and new file. If you click on this new file, automatically file will be created. Save that file with a particular name. Automatically that file will be available here. Now here just we provided this one. So Control S for saving. No, just we saved this one and I want to run this one. All of you observe this clearly. I want to run this. Before going to run this, what I'm going to do now, before going to run this, first of all, we have to go for which file we want to run, with which environment we want to run this program, that we have to specify. I want to run this program with Python. So with the Python interpreter, I want to execute this Python program now. So that's why here we have to go for first tools. So first we have to set with which environment we want to run it. So build system. In a build system, number of things are available, sir. Number of things are available. Of course, here this I prepared separately run Java for my previous applications. No, now by default, which one is selected, sir? Python is selected. No problem. Just we can make it as is. Then after that, to run this Python program, what we have to do now? Simply click on Control B. Control B. B for Bombay. Control B. B for Bombay. This is a shortcut to run our Python program. Whenever we click on this one, automatically welcome to Python programming. This output here we are getting. Welcome to Python programming. This part here we are getting. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? Is it clear to all of you? No response, guys. Is it clear to all of you? Will you do the same thing? Right, sir. Right, sir. First, if I show edit plus, then if I come to this one, it was somewhat better. But unfortunately, then what we have done there, that edit plus is not working with me now. That's why then I'm using directly the Sublime Text. Right, sir. Now. And Prakram Buller, then what is the problem? Then where is the problem now? Tell me now. All right, sir. Right, sir. Now, for each and every program not required to set, just one time if you set it, no, and build a system, and if you go for this Python one time, if you select it, no, that's fine. It will be available. If you are not disturbing that, it will be existed continuously. Okay, directly we can click on this Control V, then we are able to get it clearly. Right, sir. Right, sir. Nothing, sir. Just where we are, no, just go for tools. Nothing. By default, it will come as a Python there. Not to worry for that. But tools, now go for like which one? Build a system. In a build system, what we have to use there, no? Right, sir. Sorry. In a build system, we have to provide like which one? Python. Okay. If we click on this Python, automatically Python interpreter will set. That means Python environment is which file we want to execute under which one? Python. Automatically. That Python is specified. No. Whenever we prepare our coding part, whenever we click on Control B, automatically program will be executed. Immediate response here we are getting at bottom. Guys, all of you are following this now? No response. All of you are following this part. I think some of you are attending my core Java classes there. There you already understood about it. Now it is Python, and Python, this is the setup now. Right, sir. I'm not getting Prakram Puller, what you are asking there. How do you make the file? This is a file. Just how I prepare this one. How do we make the test.file? See this is the file. This is the location. Say for example, I want to remove this. I remove this. So folder we are getting it right. Here we are getting that folder right. Sublime Text Python we are getting right. At least say yes or no whenever I'm asking you. Right now, right click on this. Now get new file. Whenever we are getting new file, yeah, new file we are getting. Then what we have to do whenever we are getting new file here, we are getting that tab new file. Simply click on Control S directly. Control S. That's just whenever we are getting the tab, no, just click on Control S. That's it. Not required. Right. Control S. Okay. When we click on this Control S, then what it is asking there? Now it is showing. Then give that file name like this. Now first of all, go to the location where your programs you want to save. D drive Python file Sublime Text Python. D drive Python file Sublime Text underscore Python. I specified this location. There I'm going to give that file name. What is that file name? Test is already available. Test1.py. I want to type it. Test1.py. Alright. Whenever test1.py is available, now click on save. If we click on save, automatically test1.py file is created. It's available here. Whenever it is available, just what we have to do. And now here we have to go like which one here? Printer. We can write anything, whatever it may be, some welcome message here. We can write anything, Control S, save. Then after clicking on this Control S, and Prakram Buller, are you following that? Are you following this? Right, sir. Now here, then whenever we provided this, now click on Control B. When you click on Control V, and before going to click on Control V, check it. Now the Sublime Text is not only for Python, it is for multiple languages. But we want to check, I want to run this program in Python. That's why here what we have to do, build a system. Go for this tools, build a system, where number of options are available, where we need to select which one? Python. Of course, By default, Python is selected, no problem. But if it is not like this, just select this Python. If you click on this Python, then after that, click on Control B. Control B is a shortcut for understanding. Now here we are able to get like which one? Welcome. Is it clear? We are getting this output now. Right, sir. Right. Good. And Karuna ma'am, just where you struck now? Tell me, just 2 minutes of time. I will give information to you. Karuna ma'am. This Karuna ma'am. Are you there? Guys, no need to worry for this. It's simple. It's very simple to use, but one time if you put more concentration. Now, what I think so. Now, what I am telling to you, have you understood up to installation process? Guys, all of you remaining members also just wait 2 minutes of time. You can install in Ubuntu also, no, but check the system possibility. Right, and good. And remaining guys, remaining members, just wait 2 minutes of time. Just I will go for it. Karna ma'am, just have you installed successfully? That means have you understood up to installation process? No. Have you installed up to installation process? Is it clear? Right, sir. Yes. Okay, fine. Installation is okay. Good. Leave it. Leave it. After installation of this, guys, once again, all of you observe carefully. Right. After installation of this one, I want to open. See, step by step. I'm showing once again all these points. No, all of you listen carefully. After the installation process, I want to open Sublime Text. Right, sir. Yeah. Yes, Spider is okay, fine. It's very good, but Spider is mainly for which one? There data analysis. Sonali ma'am. So Spider is for which one? Data analysis side, not for this. Anyway, so at basic level, it's okay, fine. We can use that Python interpreter, but if you want to go for data analysis, more and more data, huge data processing, there we can go for Spider. Spider is best for it. Anyway, it will come along with Anaconda Python Max. Anyway, guys, now observe this. I want to open what I want to open there, Sublime Text. Karuna ma'am, just please respond for my questions time to time now. Yes. Right, sir. Now, and now I want to open the Sublime Text. So to open the Sublime Text, what I have to do now? Here search is available. Are you seeing this? Karuna ma'am, are you seeing this search here? Search bar. Yes. Now here just type Sublime. After installation of it, type Sublime Text. If you type that Sublime Text, automatically here we are getting that first option. Sublime Text 3, we are getting it. Is it clear? Is it clear, Karuna ma'am? Okay, fine. Now, if we provide this Sublime Text, if you type this Sublime Text, automatically here we are getting that first option is like which one? Sublime Text. Just click on it. If you click on this, there we are able to get like this empty. Like this, we are able to get an empty. Okay, fine. No problem here. Whenever we are getting this empty, no, ma'am, up to this okay, right? Karna ma'am, up to this you are okay, right? Right. Then what we have to do after getting this? So this is a folder spot. Our folders, our files and folder spot here we are able to provide. If you want to use this, we can use as is. If you don't want to use this, just what we have to do now? View sidebar and hide sidebar. View sidebar, hide sidebar. Already it is hidden. Or if you want to open it now, show sidebar. Automatically this sidebar here we are able to get. Is it okay up to now? Is it okay now? And getting this sidebar, is it okay? Right. Next one is what I want to know. I want to, for the sake of my projects, I want to create a folder. I want to create a folder for the sake of my projects. So how I'm going to create a folder? Observe this clearly. First of all, file. Click on this file. Open folder. Ma'am, are you listening? Just click on like which one there? Open folder. Open folder. If you click on this open folder, now it is asking. All right. Can you tell me what is your location there? Tell me what is your location where you want to create this projects, Python programs in a location. Which location you want to create there? Can you tell me some location in my system? Yes. Can you tell me the location in my system? Any location? Now tell me. Waiting for a response, ma'am. Tell me, in which drive we want to store our programs there? E drive. That's fine. Okay, now here E drive is available. Click on E drive. Inside this E drive, I want to create a folder. What about this folder? No, just I want to create like which one here? Python apps. I want to create this, a folder. Yes, ma'am. Up to this is okay, fine. Python apps. I want to create this in E drive Python apps. Okay. Now here, I want to select this. I want to select this Python apps. Just I selected this. Okay, fine. Now inside this Python apps folder, I want to keep my Python files. So select a folder. Click on select a folder. If you click on select folder, automatically another window is open. Automatically another window is open. Whenever we create a new folder, automatically another window is open. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Right, sure. Whenever we are getting another window, just maximize it. Now here we are getting in the folder spot, we are getting that Python apps folder, we are getting there. Okay, good. Right, sir. Now whenever this another window is open, try to close that old window. No problem here. Try to close this old window. It's not at all problem there. Right, sir. Now here we are getting that Python apps. Is it clear? Now inside this Python apps, then what I'm telling you know, I want to create my Python file. Right, ma'am. Up to this is okay. Up to this is is it okay for you? Right. Now I want to create a Python file. To create a Python file, what I'm trying to do now, right click on Python apps, right click on Python apps folder and new file. I want to create a new file. Right click on Python folder. I want to click on like which one? New file. Right here itself we are having some number of things. Observe this clearly now. Delete folder or file, new folder again. If you want to create again new folder, just we can click on this new folder. No, I don't want to create any new folder. Just I want to create a file. Directly click on new file. If you click on new file, here we are getting untitled tab or not. Untitled tab here we are getting here. Understand this clearly now. So whenever we are getting this untitled tab now this is a file is created but no title is available. So immediately what I am telling you know, try to save this file. To save this file, use Control S. Use Control S. If you type this Control S, automatically a window is opened to provide that file name. So now here you need to give that file name. What is that file name here? I want to give there simply, or else maybe I want to give that file name is like which one? Welcome.py. My file extension is which one? .py. Welcome.py. Guys, all of you observe this clearly now. Welcome.py. I given that. Click on save button. Now observe this clearly. Here we are getting that welcome.py. Ma'am, are you getting up to now? So here we are getting like which one? Welcome.py that we are getting. Now, whenever we are getting this, just if we open this, here we are able to see that file. That file name here we are able to see welcome.py under this Python apps. Now here we can type like which one here? Print like here what I want to provide here. Just anything, any message here we can type welcome to Python, something else. Right, sir. Just I'm providing that Control S. Every time Control S is nothing for which one? Save the file now. That we completed. Okay, then my file is ready. Now we have to run this file. To run this file, one setup, one small thing is which one? See, this Sublime text files is meant for number of technologies, not only for Python, even for Java also we can use, for HTML also we can use, for a number of files we can, a number of technologies we can use. But now I want to execute this with Python interpreter. I want to execute this program with Python. That's why go for tools one time only. This setup one time only. Not required to set up. By default, it is available. And tools, now go for build system. In a build system, now try to check it. Python is already selected or not. Python is already selected or not. Now try to check this. Yes, Python is already selected. Click on OK. Yes, Karuna ma'am, are you following now? Yes. Now click on this Python. If it is not selected, if it is selected, okay, leave it. No problem. And then after that, to run this program, what do you have to do now? Click on Control B. Control B. 1 minute, sir. F5 type, no? 1 minute. Wait. Click on Control B. B stands for Bombay. Control B. B stands for Bombay. Control B. Then if you click on this Control B, automatically you are getting that output. Welcome to Python. This output we are getting. Guys, all of you are getting clarity on this one. Sublime text. Ma'am, understood it? Yeah, completed. Now this is a way to use this, like which one they know. This is a Sublime text, but Sublime text is a simple and to use it. Yeah, guys, and right, sir. no option where it is available. Something else run here we have to get. So here only build control B. Yeah, that's it. Guys, now observe this clearly. If you want to run this program, just tools, build a system we have to use, and Python here we have to select. Then after that, again the same tools. Next one is like which one? Build control B. Build anyway control with the same thing. I'm using that. If you use that, then automatically we are getting the data clearly. Right, sir. Then try to check this print statement. Jai Sai Kiran, just try to check this print statement. If it is running fine, then definitely there is a mistake with our print statement only. Try to check with that. Right, sir. Guys, anyway, now give confirmation. All of you, please give confirmation to me. All of you are getting this process, Sublime Text. All of you are getting clarity on Sublime Text. Come on, guys. I'm asking to all of you now. All of you are getting clarity on Sublime Text. And guys, one thing I'm telling to you, if you want to run this Sublime Text and this Python program, I think so internally you require a Python software. I've installed Python software. After installation of Python software, better to do this one. Understand it? Even if you install Python software, try to check that the Python is set to path environment variable or not. In the installation process, I said already, path must be specified to which one. Then we have to select the checkbox for setting path. Why? Because the Sublime Text or maybe some other ideas in the future, all these are taking that Python interpreter through path. Answer my point. That's why here we have to do that. Okay, fine. Then in the path Python is exist or not, we have to check it. Yeah. Yes, anyway, no problem. Then those who are in the Mac and Ubuntu, now try to check with that. But how it is possible for me to show that at present? No. Then what I have to do? Okay, guys. Now, yeah. So Purna sir, I think so. Your Python version is 2.7.6. That means that old version is not deleted. Only then it is showing that old version now. Yeah. And better what I am telling to you, but how to set path? If you set that path in and Ubuntu, then it will work. I forgot it might be long time back. I checked it with Ubuntu and give 1 or 2 days of time. Then I will show that. No, anyway. Yeah. Right, sir. Then uninstallation is the best process. We have to uninstall it. Then only it will be removed. Otherwise, it will not remove. Yeah. Or otherwise, even though that old version is available, no problem. But in the path, we have to set it clearly. In the path, we have to set it clearly. 3.8.2 slash scripts and Python 3.8.2. Up to that, we have to set in the path. Then only it will be provided. Path in the sense, in the case of Ubuntu, just we have to use some commands. Then in the case of Windows, we can set it permanently, but in Ubuntu, just I have to check it how to do that. Just and give 1 or 2 days of time to me, then I will show that. Anyway, just I will give that idea at least. Meanwhile, check in YouTube. Might be number of videos are available for that. Just we can check that. Yeah, a Mac also might be. Then the same situation I'm telling you. Right. Yeah. Right, sir. Good. That's okay, guys. Now this is about clearly which one here. No, the content here. What I'm telling you, no Sublime Text. Only the pending one is like which one there? Edit Plus. Edit Plus is the pending one. So the tunnel installation was not successful in my system, then I will go for it anyway. Right, sir. Right. Now, okay, right? Running. Yeah, that's fine. Right, so now this is like which one get totally the content, no? Then apart from this, okay, guys, now Edit Plus I will show later on. No need to worry for that. But as per my schedule, I have to discuss about this Edit Plus also. But it is taking some problem here. In my system only, it is a problem, no? In your system, just try for it. You are able to get it, no? But once if the Edit Plus is ready, no, then I will show how to work with the Edit Plus also. And after that, we will see one or two examples on the base of this Edit Plus. So totally, what we completed here up to now, how to download and install Python software and how to write at least a hello world program in our system about this Python. Right now, here just we can use that Python provided ideally. We can use that command prompt or maybe Edit Plus. Anyway, I have not shown that. Now at present I shown like which one, Sublime Text. Just I provided like which one, Sublime Text at present. Right, so now just we can use all of them. Once if we complete few examples on the base of this, then I will go for like which one, Jupyter Notebook and all the remaining things I want to show now. Up to this Atom also we can use that for our applications anyway. Right, sir. I will show all these points, not immediately, one by one. First of all, let us have some work on these examples, basic examples that directly now. Right, sir. Good. That's fine. After completion of this particular thing, after completion of this total part here, then what about the next one? In the concepts, if you want to go there now, language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. I have to discuss with guys, and can I take this topic on tomorrow? Language fundamentals, and meanwhile, I want to share this document, and people are asking about this document anyway. Right, sir. I think all of your having one minute, sir. All of you are having this Google Classroom code, right? I think so. Previously, I prepared this Google Classroom code. Python 5 p.m. Yes, guys. Those who are not aware about this Google Classroom code, try to take this Google Classroom code. For new members, also, I'm telling you, try to take this Google Classroom code. Right. Take this Google Classroom code. I will show how to open it and how to get my documents. Yes. Guys, all of you have taken this Google Classroom coach. Please, those who have taken that, just type something there. Type done it. Type done like this. If you type something else, then I can understand it. Right, sir. Especially those who are attending yesterday onwards, demo classes there. Then try to take it. Yeah. Right. Yes, I will show that how to open this one. If you take this, yes, I will show that. Guys, let me upload this document. Then after that, I will show that to you. And this is like which one here? 14.5 document. I'll show to you how to open it. No need to worry for this. And we drive. Just guys, wait for it. I want to show the total procedure for it. Wait 1 minute. Wait. Yes. I already cleared the document for that. Right, sir. Guys, I'm sharing these documents to you. Just open the documents where I given clearly that notepads only. Clear cut information are given. Just I'm posting these two introduction part and as well as like which one steps to prepare. First application part I've given, but Sublime text I think so I have not included there. But up to Edit Plus I've included in the document. Just will understand it. Might be PyCharm also I've given that in the document. Okay, guys. Then for the new members, I'm giving clarity to you. Just I clicked on this post, no problem. Right. Those who are completely new for this course, just I'm giving clarity to you. Observe this clearly. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Now observe this clearly. First of all, what I'm telling to you, open your Gmail. Open your Gmail like this. Whenever you open this Gmail and go for like which one here, Google Apps. At right side top post corner, Google Apps. Guys, all of you following or not? Following or not? No response. Right, sir. When we open this, now here, what I am telling you know, just click on this Google Apps. If you click on this Google Apps, here we are getting number of applications. Scroll down. If you scroll down here, we are getting Classroom. If you scroll down, we are able to get like which one? Classroom. Click on this Classroom. Then you are able to get some empty panel here. Why? Because I created number of classes. I'm taking number of classes there. That's why I'm getting all these many classes. No, but you will get empty now. Empty panel we are able to get. Where here plus symbol is available. Plus symbol is existed. Please follow this plus symbol. Click on this plus symbol. Click on plus symbol and click on join class. Click on plus symbol and click on join class. If you not, don't click on create class. If you click on create class, you are going to create a class. That is not your responsibility. That is my responsibility. I will create the class. You have to join with that class. So join class. You have to click on join class. If you click on this join class, automatically here we are able to get class code. Then whatever the class code you have taken previously, that class code you have to enter. Whatever the class code I shown there previously, that class code you have to enter. Yes, is it clear? Whatever the class code I have shared to you, that you have to be enter here inside this. Now enter that class code now. Then after that here we are able to get the join button. Yes, join button. Whenever we provided this join button, click on this join button. Automatically you will come to like which one? This classroom. So this classroom here we are able to get. Whenever we are getting this classroom there, and previously might be some documents I provided there, and now this is like which one? You know, today I shared these documents, and those who are attending this demo classes there yesterday and today, no, go through these two documents only. Just your document is this one only. Steps to prepare first application. Don't go for this introduction also. I will take this introduction classes separately. There by the time I will share that one. For the old members, I'm giving this document here. So don't go for this all the remaining posts also. Just use this post only. Good. But how we are going to download this? Right, sir. Right, sir. Now how we are able to download this document here? Just what I'm telling you know. Right click on this document. Right click on this one. Open new tab. Open in new tab. If you open in new tab, there we are able to get like which one here? Download option. Download part we are able to get. See here you can observe the steps to prepare Python application. Download and install Python softwares and everything here we are providing here step by step, step by step. Clearly I provided no. How to prepare programs even in Edit Plus and in PyCharm also I given that. PyCharm also given, but don't go for this PyCharm now. Just up to Edit Plus I've given. We can follow up to this Edit Plus Max. Understand it now? Then the remaining part anyway, just I will go for it. Right, sir. Right, sir. Now everything I provided regarding this point here. The next one is like which one? Then here we are able to get click on like which one? Download. If we click on this download, automatically my document will be downloaded here. Just we can use that. By that we are able to download that and keep that document one by one. I'm going to share the documents there. All these documents we can get in our system and maintain the documents in our system as a separate copy. At the end of the Python, you are able to receive my regular document. You are able to receive nearly how many pages of document you are able to get there nearly 400 plus pages of document I'm able to provide in the regular classes. Right, every topic for every new topic I'm going to prepare, I'm going to share on a notepad to you. If you use that notepad and if you get that notepad there, if you print out that notepad, nearly 400 plus pages of document you are able to get there. Right, sir. And DMM, just try to install once again this Python software, Python and Python software. The problem with Python, it is not properly provided there. Yeah. So anyway then, and our admin people will respond maybe a bit delay, but I will share these documents to you. Try to use the document. Right, sir. These files will be available for live or till class is over. That's why I'm telling you, try to download this. I'm not hiding the download option there. You can download this maximum. Yeah. Right, sir. This total documents you can download and keep that in your system. Use that. Yeah. Right, guys. That's okay, fine. And guys, and try for this the Sublime text installation process again and again in our systems. No, you will get it. No, this one time is sufficient, but try to at least display that print function, print welcome. Then try to display that on the same screen. We are able to get output. Right. Then after that, and tomorrow onwards, we'll plan for like which one? No, programming part. That means language fundamentals I will start. Then conceptual and somewhat programmatic things here we are able to get clearly. No? By that we are able to get some clarity. Right. Yeah, Python software in 32-bit also you can install it. Yeah, you can install it in 32-bit also, but we have to search for it 32-bit softwares. In the latest versions, I think it may not be available. Just a bit like what I'm telling you know, old versions you have to install. Yeah, better. My sincere advice is which one nowadays every operating system, every software is provided with the compatibility of 64-bit, and better to upgrade your operating system there. It's my suggestion. Why? Because nowadays, if you go for everywhere, maximum 64-bit operating systems now. Yes. Yeah, Harsha, I will talk my admin people. Actually, they are working from remote places now. They are not at our office because of this lockdown. Otherwise, they used to upload our videos and everything immediately after completion of the class. Within 1 hour, that video will be uploaded. But unfortunately, my admin people are available at their home places, at remote places. Their internet connections may be available, may not be available. This kind of problems are going on this during this season now. That's why a bit delay they are working now. Even myself also, I'm not happy with their work, but still I'm asking them to upload. So they're able to do that kind of work. They are available at their hometown, remote places. There's a problem actually. But anyway, then we'll monitor that within 1 or 2 days of that. Then we'll go for all these things. Yeah, yesterday's video might be not be uploaded. Just I will talk with my admin people, some other people. I'll assign that work. Otherwise, I will do that work anyway. Not worry for that. Yeah, but today night I will check that possibility. If it is not the case, I will upload it anyway. Right. Okay, guys, no problem. That's fine. And try to do some work on it. Then, if you are getting confirmation on it, then I will start. Our content tomorrow onwards, max. Language fundamentals, I will start. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot, and we'll meet on tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Now, videos will be uploaded and videos will be given through and Google Drive. Then they will our admin people will share that link, that Google Drive link. Yeah. Definitely, our admin people will share that Google Drive link. Through that, you can see all these videos. Pavanit, guy, which class today? No class today. What is it? I think you are attending this session, right? The class is over almost all now. The time is 6 o'clock, 6:05. Today I took the class, right? You attended this session today, right? Yeah. No class today, question mark you are saying. For which? No, no. This is 5 to 6 o'clock only. This batch timing is 5 to 6, 1 hour. Yeah. Not up to 6:30. 5 to 6 only. Okay, guys. That's fine. And I'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot.